April 2025, being on Thursday morning, I, His Imperial Majesty Dr. Ambassador Prosper Chukwuka Eze Igbo Gburugburu worldwide, Eze Igbo, want you to touch the life of all my subjects in different parts of the world, anywhere they are, whether they are in Nigeria or diaspora, and give them power of healing. We are removing any kind of sicknesses from the life of all my subjects in different parts of the world. That sickness that has been disturbing you, I'm commanding that sickness to leave your life alone this morning. You will receive the power of healing in your life. You will find that sickness and see it no more. As you are hearing this prayer, anywhere you are, just type Ise. Ise means that it is done. My ancestors will see you through, and you must be healed this morning. That is the prayer of a king to your life this morning. As I pray, so shall it be.
Ise.